Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome to this tutorial where we will explore the detailed estimate options. In previous videos, we covered the estimate flow and inventory. In this video, we'll dive deeper into key elements, including how to send emails and SMS, add accessorial services, materials, and apply reductions. We will also review different pricing options, address editing, lock buttons, side menus, and more. Let's start by exploring the communication buttons. On the left side of the buttons list, the first button is Preview. Clicking on it opens the default template, while clicking the down arrow next to it displays a list of available templates to choose from. The Preview button is for viewing only. Once you're ready to send a template, click the Email button. This will take you to the Email Center, where you will find a side menu on the left. The Compose section is open by default. This is where emails are created, edited, and sent. To begin, select a template by clicking on the Template dropdown and choosing the appropriate one. The selected template will be generated and can be modified before sending, but any changes made here will not be saved for future use. If you need to resend the same email, you'll have to apply the edits again. At the top, you can set the sender and recipient. By default, the sender is the user performing the action, and the recipient is the consumer. You can also manually enter a different email address by clicking the Edit Recipient button. This allows you to send an estimate to yourself or another recipient. There is an option to send an estimate as a link with a cover page, which tracks when the consumer views the estimate. To do this, you will need to save the estimate as a document and attach it to the estimate. Click Save to store the template as a document. You will see an indicator in the left side menu showing that a document is ready to attach or sign. Click Email again. Select Add Attachment, choose the saved document, and click Done. You will see that one attachment has been added. Select a pre-made cover page and click Send. To review sent emails and their status, click on the Email button on the left side menu. Click the @ icon to view the sent email. The cover page and estimate assigned to the email will appear at the top. Clicking the Attachment button will open the estimate. As you can see, signature buttons have been added to the estimate. When an estimate is sent directly, it includes a friendly view link at the top and a Remove Me option at the bottom. Clicking the friendly view link will open the email for signing. Sending a document via SMS. To send a document as a text message to the consumer's mobile device, click the SMS button. This section allows you to communicate via SMS. If the consumer replies, you will see the response here and receive a notification. At the bottom, there is a free text input field for direct messaging, along with pre-made SMS templates. Any saved documents will also appear at the bottom of the buttons list. Click on the Save Document button to send it via SMS. Note: since this is a testing environment, texting and email functionality is blocked. A setup is required to enable texting and emailing. Close the texting option when finished. Another way to communicate with the client is through chat, which is covered in a separate video. Now let's move on to estimate pricing. There are 3 pricing methods. Job size pricing, commonly used for long-distance jobs. You can select cubic feet or pounds, then set a rate per unit. Hourly pricing, most often used for local jobs. Open job parameters to adjust the number of hours, then set the hourly rate. The last one is fixed price. This method charges per unit. You can enter 1 unit and assign a fixed price. Additional charges options. Accessorial services. Click the services title to open the pop-up. Add or adjust any required services, then click Save. Materials. Click the Materials title to open the Materials pop-up. Select materials to add to the job, adjust quantities, and click Save. Hovering over the titles will show the selected items. Reductions, discounts, click Apply on the desired discount, then click Save. The next part is waypoints and addresses. On the left side of the estimate, you will find the From To section, where you can define the job's route and locations. Click Add Waypoint to insert additional stops or services such as box delivery, packing, or extra stop. Clicking the waypoint title opens the waypoint editor, where you can modify the type, e.g., pickup or another service, change dates and times, or switch to a different address. Clicking the address opens the address editor, where you can update or modify address details. On the right side, there are pre-made address options, e.g., elevator, shuttle, that can automatically assign a service charge based on system presets. Click Save to confirm changes. Locking and calculating the job. This screen features 4 lock buttons: Job Lock, Rate Lock, Job Parameters Lock, and Deposit Lock. The estimate is linked to tariffs and inventory. Each time you click Calc, the system recalculates the job based on tariff and inventory data. If you want to manually set these values, you need to lock them. When fields are manually edited, the lock is activated automatically. Click the Lock button if you wish to prevent recalculations. Monitoring job changes. To track changes made to the job, click the Timeline button in the left side menu. This will display all modifications and actions taken on the job. That's it for this session. Thank you for watching Part 3 of the Estimate tutorial on advanced estimating. See you in the next video. Have a great day.